Roll it. So guys, this is the feet. Don't mind the mess in the back. And that's his feet. Incline 10. Hi. So the color theme for today is blue. It's a busy street. We decided to walk because it's cardio. Hindi kasi ako makakapag-gym ngayon, so cute ng ano natin, ang cute ng colors natin.
Di naman kami bago sa lakaran. Pero bago kami sa lakaran na may life.
Baby, ang bilis ang maglakad lang! Mama ko na. Parang ang ganda rin na Bobby. Ang ganda rin na gabi tayo pumunta. Kasi parang it's a different kind of magic, you know? Diba?
Yeah.
It's a different kind of theme, parang ganun.
Brewed coffee, corn coffee, turmeric, tea, hot chocolate, lemongrass.
Ayan o. Hot drinks. Ay. Nag-hot ka?
Ice sa akin.
Sabihin mo hot. Ay, pares iced.
Paras ice. Bal.
Ay, ito lang may fan natin.
Yes. Yung architecture ng place. Ano siya? I like it kasi ito yung first floor. Tapos may ibang hagdan paakyat yung isang second floor dito. May ibang second floor dito. Yes, pa.
Thank you.
Mocha. Chocolate.
Thank you.
Yung architecture ng place. Or orderly chaotic as I would call it. Yun yung ina-achieve ko pag naglalaro ako ng mga games na may binibili.
Ano?
Yung parang orderly chaotic na team.
So parang hindi nila pwesto yung parang magkakatabi sila pero like ito yung food court.
Parang
Just decided. Hey guys, so it's starting to get colder na. Like, di ba kayo nag-GG life? Ay, nagpa-fun pa kami. Ngayon, nararamdaman ko na siya sa hands. So it's like that, guys. We'll go to the Session Road in a while. I'm almost done with my drink. Ito kasi parang tinungga lang. Ganyan siya.
Ang gandang picture nito ba?
Ay, videoan mo ako dun. Picture mo ako dun sa baba. May try kaming picture. Where's Bobby? Game. Maganda? Hi!
Natawa ako sa'yo, nakatingin ka sa sahig.
Oh my gosh, wait lang. This is like a maze, you know. Wait,
Strike a pose. Look around, everywhere you turn is heartache. It's everywhere that you go. Look around, you try everything you can to escape the pain of life that you know. That you know, let's fail and you long to be something better than you are today.
Open ba?
yeah. Yeah. Ito! Ano ka ba? Lagi ka na nagpapanik.
Kasi dito mo siya nilalagay. Worth,
Matagal pa.
worth the pila naman daw.
My nail.